Arctic tundra as a carbon source. The Arctic Boreal Zone, ABZ, including the Arctic tundra, is shifting from a carbon sink to a carbon source due to increased wildfires and permafrost thaw. NOAA's 2024 Arctic Report Card confirms that frequent fires and fossil fuel pollution are turning the Arctic tundra into a carbon source. Nature Climate Change Study, 2025, found that over 30% of the ABZ has stopped sequestering carbon and is now releasing it. Permafrost thaw. Rising temperatures cause permafrost to thaw, releasing carbon dioxide and methane, accelerating global warming. Wildfire feedback loop. Wildfires release carbon, increasing global warming, which thaws more permafrost, leading to more fires and emissions. Key areas of carbon emission. Alaska accounts for 44% of new ABZ emissions, with Northern Europe and Siberia contributing 25% and 13% respectively. Loss of carbon absorption. Carbon emissions from the longer, non-summer months in the ABZ have surpassed carbon dioxide absorption during the summer. Extreme weather events. Wildfires are increasing in frequency and intensity, releasing large quantities of carbon into the atmosphere. India's involvement. India studies climate impacts in the Arctic via its Himadri Research Station and participates in the Arctic Council, focusing on sustainable development. Global wildfires. Fires in Texas, Oklahoma, California, and Japan released substantial carbon, highlighting the global scale of carbon emissions from wildfires.